Today, I'll show you how to disable compatibility mode on Steam, ensuring that your gaming experience is as smooth and effective as possible. Sometimes, compatibility mode can cause unexpected issues or performance hiccups, especially if your system doesn't require it. Disabling this setting can help improve your software's performance. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and that the app is fully updated. This is crucial because having the latest updates can prevent a lot of potential issues down the line. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the search bar. This is where you'll be able to easily locate the necessary files. In this search bar, type in the location of your Steam installation. This is typically found in your program files, but it can vary depending on your setup. If you're unsure, typing Steam should pull up the location for you in most cases. Once you've found the Steam file location, the next step is to right-click on the Steam file itself. This is going to open up a menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Properties. This is where you can access various settings related to the Steam application. In the Properties window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Compatibility. This tab is specifically designed to help with running older programs on newer versions of Windows, but if your system doesn't require it, it's usually best to have it turned off. Now, within the Compatibility tab, you'll notice an option that says, Run this program in compatibility mode for. If this box is checked, you'll want to go ahead and uncheck it. Disabling this option ensures that Steam runs using your current system settings rather than trying to mimic an older version of Windows. This can enhance performance and reduce any unnecessary complications. Once you've made this change, be sure to click Apply and then OK to save your settings. This ensures that the changes you've made will take effect the next time you launch Steam. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully disabled compatibility mode on Steam. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference, especially if you've been experiencing any odd performance issues or error messages. Remember, if you ever need to re-enable compatibility mode for any reason, you can always return to the same settings in the Properties window. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy gaming!